Hello, good morning to all. Now we will just move ahead. During last lecture or the last video which you saw, we discussed many things about the writer. Many things means in the sense which are relevant to us. Now we are going to study Comedy of Errors. Comedy of Errors is one of the earlier comedies written by William Shakespeare, the great dramatist. आपण आत्तापर्यंत ज्या गोष्टी पाहिल्या त्या म्हणजे विल्यम शेक्सपियरची इंट्रोडक्शन पाहिली आणि आत्ता आपण जे बघणार आहोत ती गोष्ट म्हणजे आपण कॉमेडी ऑफ एरर्स हे नाटक पाहणार आहोत किंवा त्या नाटकाबद्दलची माहिती घेणार आहोत. You should rather go and watch the movie. It would be a movie or a play which is available on YouTube. That would help you. Even there are few lectures which explain in a neat manner the way the story takes place. Because after all, during your second year, you are not to be your focus should not be on the critical analysis or many aspects, but even if you remember the storyline and the characters and what are the major themes of the play, that much is enough for us, okay, and that will do for you right now. So let us consider talk about Comedy of Errors. Comedy of Errors is a play written by William Shakespeare. As I have rightly mentioned during our last lecture, that 15th century and 16th century and 17th century or the time from 13th century onwards was the time influenced by Renaissance. And Renaissance was a movement which was born out of Greek influence. Greek प्रभावाखाली ही movement अस्तित्वात आली होती. Now this Greek movement, what does it mean? It means that Greek knowledge or Greek people migrated from Greece to Europe and they spread Greek knowledge in Europe आणि त्यांनी युरोपमध्ये ग्रीक ज्ञान पसरवलं and this started a new movement. Simultaneously, it made available the books written by Greek writers to European people. Many of the books came in the form of translations. And our great dramatist means another one characteristic quality of William Shakespeare. आणखीन एक characteristic quality William Shakespeareची आहे की शेक्सपियर डिड नॉट इन्व्हेंट द स्टोरीज फॉर हिम. त्यांनी नवीन गोष्टी इन्व्हेंट करून काढल्या नाही. तर ही बेस्ड ऑल हिज कॉमेडीज on the ready-made stories. And Plautus, a Greek dramatist, he had written Menechmi. Menechmi was based on mistaken identity. Here, a wife is faced with a critical situation in which her husband had an unknown twin, her husband had an unknown twin in the city. By accident, he had also come there. या मेनेक्मी या नाटकामध्ये एका स्त्रीला जो नवरा असतो त्याचा एक जुळा भाऊ त्या गावामध्ये असतो आणि या जुळ्या भावाला ती चुकीच्या पद्धतीनं आपला नवरा मानते. ओके, दिस इज मिस्टेकन आयडेंटिटी. ही इज आयडेंटिफाईड ॲज ए पर्सन हू ही इज नॉट, and that causes confusion. This confusion gives rise to humor or a farce. There is this theme he has used in his play Comedy of Errors. The plotters wrote Menacme play, and in that Menacme play, a wife is faced with a duplicate of her husband, which is unknown to her. And this raises confusion, and out of that confusion, comic situation is created. Another one play written by the same writer is Amphitrite. Now, in first play, there is only twin. Okay, so two characters are similar to each other, whereas in Amphitrite there are two pairs which are identical. One is pair of masters and the other one is pair of servants. And out of this confusion is created, आणि या माध्यमातून एक प्रकारचा गोंधळ निर्माण होतो. And this confusion leads to misidentification, leads to situations where rather than expected individual, the different person comes in front of the wrong twin or wrong person, and this leads to certain more confusion. Now, these both themes were used by William Shakespeare while writing Comedy of Errors.